Hi boys and girls, today we have a new game out of our green math folder. And this is a blue piece of paper. It says Center Activity 1.32. And it's called Add and Subtract Tens Match. So we're going to practice adding tens, subtracting tens, and matching those up. It says take turns, pick a subtraction equation on the recording sheet. Find an addition equation that can help you solve the subtraction problem. Draw a line to the addition equation. Fill in the subtraction and addition equations. Check your partner's answers. And then there's a go further down here if you want to challenge yourself in some way, but you'll want to have an adult read that to you. If you are working with someone, you'll take turns. If not, you'll just do it on your own. You can always draw a picture. So 70 minus 20. Well, I know that 7 tens minus 2 tens leaves me with 5 tens, which is 50. But I can also think if I start with 20, I can count on to get to 70 and it will give me the same thing. So 20 plus what will give me 70, and 20 plus 50. It's those fact families we talked about. So I'm going to look for 20 plus what right here. These match up. 20 plus what equals 70? 20 plus 50. Okay, then I'll do the same thing. 80 minus 30. Well, I can think about if I have 30 and I actually count on to 80, that will tell me how many would be left over if I took 30 away. So I start on 30. I'm going to add something and it will bring me to 80. So if I think about that, let's see for that missing. I see that here. 30 plus what equals 80? And then I'll do it in my head. 30, if I add 10, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. How many tens did I have to add? I had to add 5 tens, which is 50. And remember that I know that 80 minus 30 there's 80. If I were to take away 30, it would leave me with 50. And that's why I can think about addition too, because if I have 50, if I have 30, the 30 that I'm taking away, I know that I can add more, and as long as it's 80 total, I'll figure out what that missing number was. It's kind of tricky, but it's just a fact family. So this one, the equal sign moved. So you can actually just cover that up. We have 40 minus 10. So you're going to think addition to solve this. If I start at 10, I could actually count on to 40 to find my answer. So you're going to think, which equation would help me answer this one? Okay. If some of that is confusing, feel free to use a picture of 10 sticks. Okay. And just find the matching answers and matching equations. All right, good luck. And remember, this is you're adding and subtracting tens, and you're thinking addition to help you solve your subtraction.